I walked through as I usually do. I was there as a volunteer. I stopped officially working there right at the end of May, early June. There were a few kennels with diarrhea, and there were a few animals with upper respiratory, which is common. I saw no vomiting whatsoever. I saw many healthy dogs. In fact, over half of the population at the shelter appeared quite healthy. No visible signs of anything, no respiratory.
Okay, I want to point out, you're not a veterinarian.
No, I'm
you're
not.
Not a medical specialist, but you had worked at the shelter and you were a volunteer at this point.
That's correct.
Yeah, and you took some of these animals home, is that correct? Tell us about that.
I have 9